Hello, welcome to our channel, ZETSAW. Today, I'd like to introduce you Saw Guide Free Angle. We got an inquiry about how to adjust the angle. So, we are going to show you how to check vertical 90 degrees. Now I'm going to show you how to check vertical 90 degrees. First of all, please set saw guide like this. Fix the screw on bracket 2 with a T-shaped hex wrench at 90 degrees lightly. Make guide plate erect and fix the screw on bracket 3 lightly. Make sure that you set the screws alternately like this, because that increases stability. Second, match horizontal angle adjusting screw at 90 degrees. Third, please take out saw guide gauge. Set saw guide gauge at 90 degrees and fix the screw tightly. Fourth, after putting the gauge behind a positioning holder and aligning the transparent plate on the guide plate, please use a T-shaped hex wrench to adjust guide plate. There is a slight gap, but that is the thickness of the sticker. If you mind it, please remove it. Set dummy plate and gauge under saw guide like this, not to see any gaps, moving dummy plate. Finally, please fix the screws on bracket 2 and 3 and horizontal angle adjusting screw tightly after matching the material parallel. Now I'm going to cut a material. Now I'm going to check the precise vertical 90 degrees. This is the exact vertical 90 degrees. How wonderful the angle is. This is how we make the precise vertical 90 degrees. This is the end of the test. Please subscribe to our channel and give us good. Thank you for watching.